I'm going to walk you through how to put in the wires that show how the switches work with light fixtures. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the Manage tab. You're going to click on Additional Settings and Line Styles. You're going to click that you want to make a new line style, and you're going to call it Electrical. And you're going to want to put that in all caps so it's easy to find later. Once you have your line style category, you're going to want to change the line weight projection to 4, and you're going to want to change the line pattern from solid to dash 1/16, and then you can hit apply. And OK. Now, when you're annotating, putting in the wires for your lines, you're going to go to Annotate. On Annotate, you're going to click Line Detail, and you're going to click under Line Style. You're going to choose your electrical line style that you created. When you put in your electrical wires, we are going to use a start-end radius for that, and so you'll click on that line type. And when you put them in, you can zoom into your switch, and basically we're going to say that this switch right here controls this light. So I'm going to click, and then I'm going to draw an arc. And you want to draw your arc so that it doesn't interfere with the other elements of your design. The other part of this circuit is hooked to our other outdoor light as well. And so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to draw again another arc so it doesn't interfere with the other line types. And so when I'm done with that, I can go ahead and hit escape. And now I'm saying that when I turn on this switch, it's going to power this light, and these two lights are in series together. The other type of switch you're going to have and control is anywhere, like we talked about earlier, you have 2 rooms or 2 entryways, and you want to control the lights with 2 switches. You're going to use a 3-way switch. And so I'm going to draw the wire from the switch to the first light, to the next light, to my third light. I'm trying to position this so that the wire goes to the center of the light fixture, and also so that I rotate those arcs that I'm creating, so one goes one direction and the other goes the other direction. And sometimes that's an easy way to manage those switches. Oops, I connected it to the wrong point, so I want it to be to this 3-way switch here. So I'm going to connect that back right like that, and so that takes care of the lighting of the living room here. I have one more that I want to do in the hallway. So again, I'll click to start it, draw my arc, first arc, connect it to the second light in my plan, and then connect it to the third light in my plan, and then back to the other switch. So when you have all of your wires in, you'll have a finished plan that looks like this. Remember, we're just drawing the wires from the switches to the lights to show how those circuits work. Don't forget to include closets. When you're done with that, you can go ahead and place your electrical plan on your sheet set inside of first floor electrical. And so you might have to organize your views, but you should have something that looks like this for your electrical.